Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Ledger Nano S Plus. First, unbox your device and connect it to your computer using the provided USB-C cable. Next, download and install the Ledger Live application on your desktop or mobile device. Once installed, open Ledger Live and follow the clear on-screen prompts to set up your new Nano S Plus, including choosing a strong PIN code for security. Your 24-word recovery phrase is crucial for accessing your crypto if your device is lost or damaged. Carefully write down each word on the provided recovery sheets, double-checking for accuracy. Store these sheets in a safe, private place, away from your device. Remember, anyone with your recovery phrase can access your funds, so keep it absolutely confidential. With your device set up, open Ledger Live to install the specific cryptocurrency applications you need, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Once an app is installed, select Receive in Ledger Live to generate a secure receiving address. Always verify this address on your Nano S Plus screen before sending any funds. You can then send your crypto from an exchange or another wallet directly to this address. To send cryptocurrency, select Send in Ledger Live, enter the recipient's address and amount, then confirm the details on your Nano S Plus. Always verify the address on your device's screen to prevent errors. Regularly update your Ledger Live software and device firmware to ensure optimal security and access to new features. This keeps your assets protected and your device running smoothly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.